Domina shopping center in Riga, Latvia. Floor indicator has wrong floor numbering. Oh, it should be A1 to A3, but this says B1 to P3 because probably Otis just but basic numbers. Parking levels are normally P levels, but they forgot to check that the shopping center runs A floors, but buttons has A floors. The floor A3. Built in 2004, B1 and Z 0376. 21 so 1600 kilograms. For TC, this should have good doors, but these are quite slow, but it's still nice elevator. Inspected by Domina and maintained by Thermes, generic, unfortunately, but craft is not better. Alright, I'm not sure if it's a bit better or a bit worse, but both are bad maintained. Should be maintained by Köln. Floor TC. That's